of my chest. Train my mind so I forget. Sink your teeth into my bones. Dig me out, then fill the hole.
Hello YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I have a little bit of an impromptu unboxing. Impromptu because I hadn't really been planning for this for too long, but I bought myself a new bag. This is to celebrate me getting what I never thought would, but my dream job, and just for getting through, just to make myself happy and because I wanted it. So yeah, without further ado, let us get into unboxing. So this bag has an interesting story. I have a pin board, of course, of different handbags that I like, and I kept seeing this one style of Coach bag keep popping up called the Swagger, and I kind of remember when it first came out, I liked the look of it, but I never I don't know if I ever really wanted one or not. But I did like how it looked. So anyway, those had been popping up on my Pinterest a lot, and I was like, maybe I should look into one of those. And so I kind of looked at some and didn't really find one that spoke to me. And then I happened upon someone's YouTube video. I cannot remember the name of it. If I happen to remember it, or if I find the video again, I'll leave it linked down below. But she talked about this bag, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need that bag in my life. Because you'll see as soon as I open it. Oh, it's so pretty in person. So, before I talk about why I bought this, I found this for a really good deal on eBay. I mean, it's still in the packaging. Still has the tags and everything on it like it was new. But can we look at that stitching? It's rainbow stitching. Look at that. I saw that and I was like, I need that bag, because I've been looking for a rainbow bag, because if you have been on the channel or if you just know me, I love rainbows. I love color. I've always loved color, and I just love making rainbows. So I saw this and I was like, that is fun with the stitching, but also since it's just the stitching, it's not too out there, so I can carry it in more professional settings. Not that I really care about that, but yeah, I saw it and I was like, that's my bag. I need that bad boy. So I searched for it and I found this listing on eBay. So I was like, I need that bag in my life. So I bought it. I don't know exactly how much these retail for, and new. If I can find out, I'll put it in the description. But I want to say that they were 500, 600, something like that. And I saw somebody selling one that was used for 400, because I had it on my wish list, and then I found this one and I was like, that's a better deal because that's new, and I think with shipping and everything I paid a little over 300 for it. So, and look, it even has the dust back with it, blessed. But anyway, this is what the inside looks like. It's got Coach written all over it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. The inside also has the rainbow stitching. It's got one slip pocket here, and then a zip pocket back here. It's got the little Coach Care instructions with it. And take that off. And then the Coach Creed, you know, the thing that says this is a Coach bag, blah, blah, blah. It also has rainbow stitching around it. So, anyway, I saw her with that bag. I think she did a what's in my bag video with it. I can't remember, but I saw it and I was like, I need that. And I'm just so glad that I found it. And I can't wait to wear it. And the fact that I found this new for a good price, like, I am excited. So it comes with a detachable shoulder strap that also has the rainbow stitching on it. There you go, you can see it. And it has silver hardware, which I love. Silver and silver hardware on bags. The only thing about this bag is that I wish that it was black instead of brown, because I wear black a lot more than brown. But, you know, one, they didn't have it in that, and I wanted this rainbow stitching. And two, besides my Louis Vuitton bags, I don't have like just a plain brown bag. So I was like, it's pretty. So, and with the price, it just, I couldn't pass it up. So let me just attach these. So once I wear this bag a whole lot, I'll do an in-depth review on it, and I will definitely do a what's in my bag video once I break this bad boy in. But yeah, so here, close up of the bag. The leather smells beautiful, and it's so buttery soft. And like, I love the little detail on the front. And I saw somewhere somebody actually like undid it and just had the bag hanging open like that. And I just thought that was another cool way to wear it, but I'll probably just keep it closed. And then it has one leather hang tag, and then it's got a silver hang tag that has the protective sticker on it. I don't know if all of the swagger bags have both of those, or if it's just this one, but I think that's really cute. It gives it like a little edge to it. And then what's really cute about how it's attached is it's actually, I think you can see that, it's on a little claw clasp. So you can take that off if you don't want the hang tags on there. Oh, here's the tag. So the retail price is $4.95. But I would say probably if this bag, or if they sold this bag today, it would probably be close to $600, because that's where some of Coach's bags are going toward. But, oh, and then it has bead at the bottom, and the rainbow stitching continues on the bottom. Like, hello, look at that. Is that, I just thought that was so interesting of a bag. Like, I remember a long time ago when I first started getting into like designer bags. Like, before that I had carried bags from like Claire's and, you know, stuff like that. And when I was in middle school, my mom started getting me designer bags, and I had a Dooney and Burke, one of the barrel bags that had the rainbow zipper on it, and I loved that thing so much. So that's what kind of inspired me to get this one. I was like, oh, it's like that, but with the stitching, it's a little bit more obvious, but it's just so pretty. And it actually does look really good against the brown, so I'm not, you know, unhappy with the color of this bag. But this is what it looks like on the side. It's a little bit different of a closure, and then it feels like it can pull out if it needs to. Like, this leather, it's not really elastic, but it kind of feels like it because the way that the stitching is. And then the inside, this is what's really cool. Like, the top completely unzips, like comes apart like that. And then when you put it back together at the bottom, then you can snap this little thing, and that's just like a little added layer of protection when you're carrying your bag. But oh, it's so pretty. I love it. So I didn't say what the full name of this is. This is the Coach Swagger in the size 27 in rainbow stitching. So this is, I don't have a Speedy 25 for comparison, but I think my Montang is about the same size as a Speedy. So in comparison, oh, you can't see that. Whee! So in comparison, there's size-wise, and I'll do like, so it's got a couple of inches on it, but also this is shaped differently than this one. I will also include some modeling shots of the bag. I love this bag. It's so pretty. This is also kind of like a late birthday present to myself too, but mainly it was, I saw it, I wanted it, I had enough money to get it, so I bought it. So I'm trying to, like, I still love Louis, and I want to have, you know, a designer bag collection, but I'm trying to be more mindful of my spending and also not buying something just because it's designer. Like, I'm trying to get pieces that I really want, even if it's, I say just Coach, but I mean, it's still a pretty penny. But even if it's Coach or Kate Spade, like, I want to have pieces in my collection that I actually use and actually want, as opposed to just having them in my collection because they're designer. So that's why I opted for this. But like, look at that, how pretty. So pretty, I love it. Mwah. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you want to stick around, please subscribe. And also, if you want more of me than what you see on here, go check out my Instagram. I'm way more active on there than I am on here. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.